Well, hey everyone, my name is Dr. David Alper, and I'm here once again with the WayToMyHeart.org's footnotes. And today we're going to talk about pretty feet. Why are we going to talk about pretty feet? Well, because people do like to make their feet look good. It makes you feel better, it makes the feet feel a little better, but you have to do it properly, you have to do it safely. And especially if you have circulation issues like PAD or diabetes, some things can actually be more of a danger than they can helping you with the way your feet look. So let's start with toenails. Toenails, of course, are the same tissue as skin, which means the toenails need to be able to breathe. When you paint your toenails, there's nothing wrong with doing it for a short period of time. But what you don't want to do is paint your nails in May and take it off in October, because the nails aren't able to breathe, and this is one of the reasons that you get fungal infections in your toenails. And while this is not medically dangerous, it can hurt, and it's really quite unsightly. So you really want to take your nail polish off after about a month. Give it a few days to breathe and then reapply it again. The same thing is true with fake toenails. The glue that keeps these on does not let the nails breathe. Funguses don't like air, and so when you seal the nail, it's a perfect way to help funguses grow and make the nails brittle. So once again, if you're going to put something like this on, make sure you don't leave it on for an extended period of time. When you're cutting your nails, it's better not to use something like this, but something like this that allows you to go straight across as you're cutting. You want to cut your nails straight across. Do not dig into the corners. That's a way of causing an ingrown toenail. If you have dead skin on your feet, please do not take something like this out, because you're basically taking a cheese grater to your skin. It's sharp metal, and especially if you don't have any feeling in your feet, it's very easy to go too deep. Much better to do some type of a buffing stone or a pumice stone that will take the dead skin off without going too deep, and make sure you moisturize after you do this. If you have little lumps and bumps of dead skin, corns on your toes or calluses on your knee, padding it to make the shoes more comfortable is appropriate. But please do not use anything that says for corn removal. This works with an acid called salicylic acid, which tries to burn it off. And if you read the package under the back, the first thing it says under warnings is do not use if you have diabetes. The second thing it says is do not use if you have poor circulation. All these do is burn your skin. Much better to moisturize them or go to a podiatrist that knows the proper way of removing them. If you follow these instructions, your feet can be safe, your feet can be healthy, and your feet can be pretty. This is Dr. David Alper. For further information, please go to the American Podiatric Medical Association at apma.org, the American Diabetes Association at ada.org, and of course the WayToMyHeart.org. Thank you very much, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another Footnotes.